When people cannot control you, they will destroy you. Remember that. People will only like you when you give what they want. If you want people to love you, then follow their wants and desires always. When you become who you truly are, then people will start to hate you. When you start to assert your boundaries, your space, your person, then people will not like you. Tandaan niyo po yan. Kung gusto mong mahalin ka ng iba, palagi mo silang pagbigyan. Pero kung gagawin mo naman yung gusto mo, asahan mo, hindi ka nila magugustuhan, kaiinisan ka at kamumuhian ka ng ibang tao. Amen? That is the truth and the reality of our life. Asahan at asahan mo, hindi ka magugustuhan ng iba kapag sinusubukan mo ng panghawakan ang sarili mong buhay. Pag hindi ka na nila kayang kontrolin, pag hindi ka na sumusunod sa kanila, gagawin nilang mahirap ang iyong buhay. Sisiraan at sisiraan kanila. Remember that when you follow other people's opinions and desire, you will grow tired. But always follow God's will. There may be challenges, there may be problems, there may be hardships, but God will always help you, strengthen you, and bless you. Amen? Be free, be happy, be blessed by following first God's will, not the will of other people. Amen.